What's going on, Barrett Outdoor homies? Today, we're going to be doing a massive bike check of the Barrett Outdoor Garage. Let's get into it. If you guys are a real veteran of the Barrett Outdoor gang, you'll remember our most popular video where I got this Surly Karate Monkey. I've done some upgrades since I've gotten this bike, including the Shimano SLX brakes and the aggressors. The aggressors really help when you are shredding downhill with the addition of the RockShox pike. The 140 millimeters of travel make it really nice when going downhill. These wide NV bars are super great and you feel very controlled on the bike. And when going downhill, having this Thompson Elite dropper post is really nice to get back behind the bike. This bike is just an overall good trail bike, and it's really fun to ride downhill.
What's up, outdoor homies? This is my 2017 Specialized Stump Dumper Carbon Hardtail. This is an extremely fast, lightweight race bike. For the fork on this bike, we have the RockShox Brain. Great for shredding up hills and shredding back down them, because it's an automatic lockout system, so it only will engage when you hit bumps. Extremely fast. For the brakes on this bike, we have Shimano Dior XT. Unbeatable stopping power, and they look clean as well. For the derailleur, I have a SRAM GX Eagle. It's great to have those extra low gears for going super hard up hills that are extremely steep, but also having those other two gears for going as fast as possible downhill. Well, let's go on to the next bike. For the last bike of the day, we have the newest, the freshest, the cleanest, the most recent addition to the Barrett Outdoors fleet of bikes is my 2020 Scott Spark RC. This bike is extremely fast, lightweight, carbon full suspension. I really like the X01 shifting on it because it's so crisp and works so well. And this bike sounds amazing. For the brakes, we have SRAM Level. Not my favorite, but it is what it is. Within the next day or two, I'm going to slap on some brand new ESI Pink Edition to make it look fresh as heck. Thanks for watching today's episode, outdoor homies, and we'll see you next time.
If you liked my Surly Karate Monkey, I'll leave a link in the description to its listing on Pink Bike. Peace.